Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty granny square. The yarn color I'm using for this granny square is caramel, cream and chocolate brown. Let's start with magic circle. Insert the hook, pull the yarn over chain 1. We need to start to make a double crochet. Make 1 single crochet in the magic circle, pull the yarn longer, turn the hook, pull the yarn back and pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is 1 double crochet. Following, we're gonna make 16 double crochet in the magic circle. Now we made 16 double crochet. Snip stitch to join to the first stitch. Chain 1. Following, we are going to make 3 double crochet bubble in the first stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make a single crochet first. Pull the yarn longer. Yarn over. Turn the hook to the same stitch. Pull the yarn over 2 loops. Yarn over. Make another half finished double crochet in the same stitch and pull the yarn over 4 loops. This is how you make 3 double crochet bubble. Chain 3. If you normally pull the yarn very tight, I suggest chain 4 here. Skip 1 stitch and make another 3 double crochet bubble in the following stitch. Second half finished double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook to the same stitch, pull the yarn over 2 loops, pull the yarn over 4 loops, chain 3. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to join to the first stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn. I'm using chocolate brown to make the following round. Insert the hook to the chain area, pull the yarn over, chain 1, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet and double triple crochet. Yarn over hook 3 times and crochet in the skipped stitch last round. Insert the hook to the skipped stitch, pull the yarn over 2 loops, another 2 loops, another 2 loops and 2 loops again. So pull the yarn over 2 loops 4 times and make a single crochet, another single crochet in the chain area. So we just made 2 single crochet, 1 double triple crochet, 2 single crochet in the chain area. Now insert the hook like this, pull the yarn over, make single crochet. It's called front post single crochet. Now we repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet first in the chain area, second single crochet, 1 double triple crochet, crochet in the skipped stitch, pull the yarn over 2 loops 4 times. Following, make 2 single crochet back to the chain area, 2, and make front post single crochet for the following stitch and follow the pattern and finish the round. Back to the end of the round, make last front post single crochet and snip stitch to join the round to the first stitch, chain 1. Following, we are going to crochet in the stitch that on top of the double triple crochet. So make a snip stitch from the following stitch and another snip stitch, chain 1, make 1 single crochet, chain 4 and make a 3 double crochet bubble on top of the 3 double crochet bubble. Insert the hook, make a half finished double crochet, another half finished double crochet in the same stitch, make a third half finished double crochet, and pull the yarn over 4 loops at the same time. Chain 1, 2, 3, and make 1 single crochet in the double triple crochet stitch. Chain 3, and make 3 double crochet bobble on top of the bobble. Insert the hook to the bobble stitch, make a half finished double crochet, another half finished double crochet in the same stitch, third half double crochet, pull the yarn over 4 loops at the same time, chain 3. So the pattern here is 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 bobble, and chain 3. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to join the round and cut the yarn. I'm using cream color for this round. Left hand hold the yarn end, yarn over the hook, make 1 front post single crochet for the bobble stitch. And yarn over hook twice to the stitch on the right side of the single crochet in last round. Pull the yarn over 2 loops 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. And now we're going to make 5 triple crochet on top of the single crochet. One triple crochet, 2 triple crochet, 3 triple crochet in the same stitch, 4 triple crochet in the same stitch, 5 triple crochet in the same stitch. Following, we are going to make another triple crochet on the left side of the single crochet last round. So now we'll go back to the front post single crochet again. So the pattern here is make 1 front post single crochet, make 1 triple crochet on the right side of the bubble, and make 5 triple crochet in the single crochet stitch, and 1 triple crochet on the left of the bubble. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Make a slip stitch to join to the first stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Following, we are going to make 5 front post single crochet on 5 triple crochets. This is how you insert the hook. Pull the yarn over, chain 1, and make 1 single crochet as a start. Front post single crochet. Another 1 front post single crochet. Following one is also 1 front post single crochet. So in total we make 5 front post single crochet. 5, and skip this triple crochet stitch and make the front post half double crochet in the following stitch and skip next stitch as well. Now we are going to repeat the pattern. Make 5 front post single crochet to the 5 triple crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip next stitch and make a front post half double crochet for the following stitch. Follow the pattern and finish the round. Back to the end of the round, snip stitch 2, join to the first stitch, chain 1, make 1 single crochet from the following stitch, another single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, make 1 front post half double crochet to the following stitch, following make 4 single crochet to each 4 stitches, 3, 4. Now we skip 1 stitch, and following stitch we make yarn over twice, make a half finished treble crochet, pull the yarn over 2 loops, another 2 loops, and yarn over twice, pull over 2 loops, another 2 loops, and yarn over 3 loops at the same time, chain 2. So we call this 2 treble crochet bubble. Now we make another 2 treble crochet bubble in the same stitch, yarn over twice, pull the yarn over 2 loops, another 2 loops, and pull the yarn over 3 loops at the same time, chain 2. Make third 2 treble crochet bubble in the same stitch, yarn over 2 loops, and yarn over 3 loops at the same time, chain 2, and make fourth 2 treble crochet bubble in the same stitch, now we make 4 2 treble crochet bubble and make another 2 treble crochet bubble in the same stitch. So in total we have 5 2 treble crochet bubble in the same stitch and 4 2 chain area. Skip 1 stitch, make 1 single crochet from the following stitch, another single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, and following stitch is front post half double crochet. So the pattern here is 4 single crochet, 1 front post half double crochet, 4 single crochet, skip 1 stitch, and 5 2 treble crochet bubble in the same stitch with 4 chain 2 area. Skip 1 stitch and make 4 single crochet from the following stitches. And please follow the pattern finishing round. Snip stitch to join to the first stitch and finish the round. Chain 1, cut the yarn, I'm using the chocolate brown for the next round. Insert the hook next to the bubble like that, pull the yarn over, chain 1, make 1 half double crochet, another 1 half double crochet, third half double crochet, fourth half double crochet. The following stitch we make front post half double crochet, so we just made 4 half double crochet, 1 front post half double crochet, and we are going to make 4 half double crochet in the following stitches, 2, 3, 4 half double crochet. Now we are going to make 1 front post half double crochet on the bubble stitch, and 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet from the chain area, front post single crochet to the bubble, 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet in the chain area, and make 1 front post double crochet from the bubble. This one is in the middle bubble. It will be in the corner. So 1 front post double crochet, chain 1, another 1 front post double crochet from the same bubble, one half double crochet in the chain area, and 1 single crochet from the same chain area, 1 front post single crochet to the bubble, 2 single crochet from the chain area, and 1 front post half double crochet from the bubble. So the pattern here is make 4 half double crochet from the 4 stitches, 1 front post double crochet, and 4 half double crochet, 1 front post half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 front post single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 front post double crochet, chain 1, and 1 front post double crochet in the same bubble, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 front post single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 front post half double crochet. Please follow the pattern and finish on a round. Here we come to the end. Snip stitch to join to the first stitch, chain 1. So for the last round we are going to make half double crochet all the way for every stitches, except corner. Now we crochet near the corner. Still make half double crochet for each stitch. Here comes to this chain 1 area, make 2 double crochets, the second double crochet, chain 2, and make another 2 double crochet. So here you can make 2 half double crochet instead of 2 double crochet. So we make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same chain area. Follow the pattern and finish the round. This is how you make this beautiful granny square. Please show me your beautiful work in the comments, and please let me know if you want to learn how to make this granny square into the dress. Thank you for watching. See you next time.